Hey, this is Jonathan from WPCharger, and today I'm going to show you how to add an author box to your WordPress post using a plugin called Simple Author Box. Before we get started, if you need help managing your WordPress website, we'll be happy to help. Just contact us at WPCharger.io. An author box is great for adding additional context to your WordPress posts about the author who wrote it. This is often found at the bottom of a post. As you can see, there's nothing here right now. We don't have any background information about the author. So what this plugin will do is allow us to add a name, a description, an image, and some other things like social media links to the bottom of our post based on the writer that is assigned to this article. So let's get started by going to our WordPress dashboard. And on the left-hand side, we'll go to Plugins and Add New Plugin. In the search at the top right of the screen, type in Simple Author Box. This is the plugin right here by Web Factory. Click Install Now, and then Activate. Now the plugin was activated successfully, and to access it, we'll go to Appearance and Simple Author Box. You might get this pop-up. You can just click to the side to get rid of that. And here it already shows us our basic design for our author box. So you can see we have an image here, the person's name, a description, and then any social media links. Now, of course, you're not going to see all these social media links. Only the social media links that you add are the ones that are actually going to show up on the live website. So we have some settings here, but we'll come back to that. Let's start by setting a basic image and description for our author box. To do this, let's go over to Users and All Users, and you'll want to find the author that you want to edit. So in my case, I'll do this first user here and press Edit. And we will scroll down to About the User. And this is where it asks us for biographical info and a profile picture. So I'll just paste in a quick bio here. And I already have an image in here, but if you want to set an image easily, you can scroll down and use this custom user profile image and upload your image there. That's the easiest way to do that. Then you can add additional information about occupation and then social media links. I'll skip over that for now, but if you have any social media links, just throw them in there and it will appear on your author box. So let's scroll all the way down and update user. So now that our user is updated, let's go ahead and refresh our blog post to see what this author box looks like. Scroll down to the bottom, and there it is right there. So here you might want to think about, do you want to add more stuff to the bio? Do you want to change the colors? Do you want to change the size of the font? Do you want to change the type of font that's being used? Think about all those things, and then we can go back to the plugin settings to make those adjustments. So again, to get back to the plugin settings, we'll go to Appearance and Simple Author Box. So I'm not going to go through every setting here because that would take a while, but just check the settings out on the left-hand side. Some of the things you might want to look at is Appearance. This will add different spacing, maybe a border, things like that, just to work on some design. You may also want to change the colors. You can see all those options here. In the typography, this is where you would edit that. So those are probably going to be the main sections of the settings that you're actually going to want to tweak. So that's all there is to it. It's pretty quick and easy to do. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to us at WPCharger.io, or if you just need general help managing your WordPress website, we'll be happy to help out. I'll see you in the next video.